this science experiment today.
And what colors can we make? And we'll be doing this with Easter egg dyeing kit, so that you can make tons of fun colors to level up your Easter egg dyeing this year. So we're going to start off with our hypothesis for this experiment. And our hypothesis is basically just
our guess of what's going to happen in an experiment.
It's the most important part of your experiment because it tells you whether you guess right or wrong.
So you can actually make conclusions from it. So for today, for this experiment, this is when I mix two colors.
Different colors somewhere between the original two colors. So my guess and my hypothesis is that if I mix red and blue, I'm going to get purple because that seems like a color that's right between those two. Do you have another hypothesis? Maybe you have a guess for mixing red and yellow, or maybe yellow and blue. What color do you think those would make? So step one is that we have to actually fill our bowls and make our initial color. So in this case, I'm starting with blue, and I'm just dropping it in my bowl of water, just like the directions from our egg dyeing kit say.
And then I'm also going to do that for red.
And I'm just going to leave them in there for a while, and now I have a yellow. So I'll go ahead and just let these sit here and dissolve and create our very pretty colors. Just see them dissolving, which is super fun. But you can fill as many of them with as many colors as you have in your kit as you'd like, but I'm going to stick with just these three initially. So now that you have all of your colors, we're now going to actually mix them. So I'm going to start with yellow. I'm just going to pour a little bit of it into this bowl.
So you can see pretty clearly that's.
And now I'm going to do the same thing with blue. So I'm going to pour it in. And we already have a big chunk. So now you can see that it's turned green. Which is really, really cool. So we mixed yellow and blue,
and we were able to make this really pretty light.
So now it's your turn. Keep doing this and mixing as many colors as you want to mix. And see how many different colors you can make. Maybe you want to mix this green with yellow or blue. Or maybe you want to mix red and blue and see what happens. But remember to write down all of the experiments that you do in your lab notebook. There's a page where you can color in the colors that you mix and then what colors you can.
So keep track of all of your experiments.
So now we've done our experiment. We see that when we mix colors, we make a new color that's somewhere in the middle of our previous two colors. So when we mix yellow and blue, you get green. When you mix red and blue, you get purple.
When you mix yellow, I hope you got to experience. But now, let's say when
I do colors. So let's start with what I color. So when our eyes see something, it means that light is reaching our eyes. And with colors, that light has to bounce off of whatever the material is that you're looking at. So in this case, you're looking at a red dot. When the light bounces off that red dot and hits our eyes, we see red. But with a different material, when it's blue, it's going to bounce off in a little bit different way, and we're going to see that it's blue. But when you mix those two materials together,
both the red particles and the blue particles so when the light bounces off both, it can be seen as a different color by our eyes. So this is how colors mix.
So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you really enjoyed your science experiment and that you are going to make so many cool Easter eggs. now that you have these really fun colors to work with. And if you ever want to look at more science experiments or other fun Easter science, you can see all of my stuff at www.infiniteartistry.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.